Welcome everyone. So in this video we will see how to install IntelliJ IDEA on MacBook. For that, before we need to install JDK. If you are not installed JDK in your system, I already made a video about how to install JDK. I give the link in description. Do check if you are not installed. Once you are done with the installation of JDK, come back here. So now let's check how to install IntelliJ. For that, open any browser and search for IntelliJ IDEA. This is the official website. I also mentioned this website link in description. Click download. Here we can see IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. This one is paid one. So we are looking for community edition. So if you scroll down, you can see the IntelliJ community edition. This one is free. Here is a drop down. If you have the different processor, change that. Once you changed, click download. It will start to download. Okay, the file is downloaded now. Let's open. Double click. So here we need to just drag and move to this application folder. Okay. Now let's see in Launchpad. The application we can see now. Click on that. Click open. Here we get an agreement. Check this and hit continue. Here I don't need to send data sharing, so I'm clicking don't send. Okay, now we installed IntelliJ in our system. Let's run a simple program. For that, click the new project, and here I am giving Java test, and this is the file location, and this is the JDK version that's available in our system. Once you done with this, click create. Okay, our project file is created, Java test source file. Under that there is a main.java file. Okay, let's print this program. For that, run this. Okay, the output is printing. Okay, the output is printed. Okay, this is how we install IntelliJ in MacBook. Thanks for watching.